Hi everyone, today we have another tutorial regarding to the same motion block, and today we'll look into this line to XY block. Okay. This line to XY block is something like the move block, but it is grinding to X and Y locations. So just to see it very clearly, what is this block is all about, let's change the backdrop to the XY grid background. Okay, now we have the background with the XY grid already, and we go back to the script, and now let's get him an event. Let's get him an space key event. When you press the space key, the character will climb to the XY locations with 1 second. So let me explain clearly on this block. This one is about the second, the times that for us to climb the character from one point to another point, from his existing point to the specific location. These two numbers like the go to XY block. This is the coordinate for the X and Y. Now let's set it in, let's say 100. And the Y is negative 100. It is roughly that the character will climb to these locations here on the info panel. You can see this point with 1 second. With 1 second from this place, the existing locations to the other locations. And now let's see what happened when we press the spacebar. Before that, we got to have the green flag start and click the spacebar. You see, the character are using 1 second to climb from this 0 XY0 coordinates to the 100x and negative 100y. How about now we want the character to climb to negative 200 for the y. Now we are going to climb the character from these existing locations to another location that is x in negative 200 and y in 100. And let's see what's happened with the character. Yeah, you see the character is climbing from here to here. Again, we have 200. Back to the same locations. This time we have the second with 3 seconds. So now the character by right will be climbing a little bit slower than the first time. You see, it takes 3 seconds to reach to another coordinations. Okay, the last one we try with another one with 5 seconds. 220 and the y is negative 200. Let's see what happened, and it will be taking 5 seconds to travel from this point to another point. So it is 5 seconds. Okay, yeah, today our tutorial is on this line to XY block, and hope you all will like it. We see you in next chapter again. Thank you very much.